Hello everyone, welcome to Srinivas Ramanujan channel. This is Ram Lakshmi. Today I would like to explain you multiplication of a 3-digit number by 3-digit number. Before going to the topic, those who did not subscribe to my channel, please like, comment, share and subscribe to Srinivas Ramanujan channel. Now I will explain you the multiplication of 3-digit by 3-digit, which is nothing but in multiplication we have multiplicand and multiplier. These are the parts of the multiplication. So multiplicand we have 3 digits and the multiplier also we have 3 digits. So the result what we are obtaining is called product. Here instead of this multiplicand and multiplier, I will go through an example now. This I will explain you through the example. 843 is multiplied by 691. How to multiply this I will explain you now. Before going to this solving, I'll tell you some steps. What are the steps involved in this process? Here we have 5 steps. So the first step, first of all you have to imagine, instead of the digits you have to imagine dots. In the multiplicand 3 dots and multiplier also we have to imagine 3 dots. So with the help of these dots I'll explain you the steps. First step, we have to multiply the first column digits are there, no? First column digits. That means ones digits we have to multiply. That is the first term. And the second step is nothing but we have to cross multiply the first and second columns. First and second columns we have to cross multiply. And we should add. After cross multiplication, we have to add. And the third step, here we have to consider all the dots. That here we have to cross multiply the first and third columns and also the vertical column. All these we have to add. And in the fourth step, so third step we have to multiply, cross multiplication of first and third columns as well as the vertical column. We have to multiply. Then we have to add those numbers. And let us move for the fourth step. We have to cross multiply the second and third columns. And again we have to add after multiplication. And the last step, we have to multiply the last column. That we have to multiply. If we understand these steps, in this way only we can solve this question right now. Now first, we have to multiply the ones digits. So that ones digits are 1 and 3. 1 3s are 3. Now just I have given a line. This is just for separation. Next, the second step, cross multiplication of first and second columns. 4 1s are 4, 3 9s are 27. 4 plus 27 is 31. And the next step, we have to cross multiply first and third columns. As I said here, no, step 3. Same like that, first and third columns and also the vertical column we should multiply. 8 1s are 8. 8 1s are 8. 6 3s are 18. 8 plus 18 is 26. 26 plus 36. That means 62. Here I will tell you again. 8 1s are 8, 6 3s are 18. 8 plus 18 is 26. 26 plus 4 9s are 36, which is 62. That is the third step. And the fourth step, we have to cross multiply the second and third columns. 4 6 are 24, 8 9 is 72. So 72 plus 24, which is 96. 96. So that the next one, 8 6 are 48. Now we have to balance the digits. That means we got, this is not the answer. This is not the entire answer. We have to balance these numbers. Then we will get the ultimate result. So we should write the, always when we are writing the digits, from each part we have to take only the ones digit. So write 3 and next, the second part, ones digit is 1. But here tens digit is left, that we have to carry to the next part. So 3 plus 2 which is 5. Now 6 will carry to the next part. 6 plus 6 is 12 but should write 2 only. 1 will carry to 9. 1 plus 9 10. So 10 will carry to the next number. 10 plus 8 which is 18. Now 1 will be carried to here which is 5. So what is this? I have used a technique, that is balancing technique in Vedic mathematics. So by using the balancing technique, we can do this 3 by 3 multiplication as well as 2 by 2 multiplication, and in so many areas we can use this balancing technique. I already given a link in the previous videos, so please go through that to get the better understanding. Now like this we will get the answer. Now one more question I will explain you. 361 452. How to multiply these numbers I will explain you now by using the balancing technique. First of all, 1 2s are 2. Little bit I will go fast. First of all, 1 2s are 2. That is the first step. And the second step, you have to cross multiply these two, first and second columns. 6 2s are 12, 5 1s are 5. 12 plus 5, 17. Third step, 3 2s are 6, 4 1s are 4. 6 plus 4, 10. 6 5s are 30. That means 40. 3 5s are 15 plus 24, 39. And last, 3 4s are 12. See this again balancing technique I am using. Balancing technique is nothing but we have separated the numbers with some lines, no? So always we have to take the ones digit from each part. Here only ones digit is present. You no need to take, here there is no tens digit, so that no carrying also. So we should write 2 first. And next part 7 we have to write. 1 will go to the next. 1 plus 0 is 1. 4 will go to next. 4 plus 9, 13. But we have to write single digit. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 will go to the next part. 6. 1. So the answer is 1,63,172. I'll explain you one more question. So I will avoid this balancing technique and I'll tell you the answer. So if you understand the steps, you can do in your mind and you'll get the answer in a single step. Now 835 into 462. How to multiply this? Now first step, 2 5s are 10. So write 0 here, 1 is left. Now 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 30, 37. Now 3 is left. Third step. 8 2s are 16 plus 3, 19. 19 plus 20, 39. 39 plus 18, 57. Now 5 is left. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 5, 53. 53 plus 12, 65. Now 5 we have to write, 6 left. 32. 8 4 are 32 plus 6, 38. See how we'll get the answer now. In a single step we got this entire answer. So it's actually when you are doing regular maths, you will get some lengthy process. You will get the same answer even though there is a difference in the process. So what we have to do is, if you do these steps in your mind, you can avoid all those steps and you'll get the answer in a single step. So those who watched my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to Srinivas Ramanujan channel. Thank you.